and welcome back to the channel. My name is Priscilla, aka Precious. If this is your first time clicking on the channel, I want to welcome you girlies back to the channel. How are you, girl? Hopefully you're drinking your water and minding your business.
Same.
But if this is not your first time clicking back on the channel, I want to welcome you girlies back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today, girl, because we got a lot to do today. Hence the title. You guys know we are doing a maintenance vlog. It has been overdue for one. Okay, your girl has been looking crazy and I need to take care of myself this month. Okay, so in today's vlog we are going to do a few things on my own, but of course I'm going to be going to get my lashes done and then I'm going to get my hair done this week. But for the things that I'm going to be doing by myself, I'm going to be doing my Dermaplaning and then I'm going to do my eyebrows. And then on top of that, I'm going to take off my lashes because I don't mind cluster lashes. I absolutely love clusters. But I think there comes a point when you DIY and you're just tired of DIYing. So for this month, instead of me doing it on my own, I'm just gonna go ahead and just let a professional pamper me, take care of me, because your girl's just tired of doing it on her own. Okay, so if you like today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you guys can stay notified to when I post another video. With that being said, let me go to the bathroom and get set up so we can get this done. So your girl ended up finding my brow lamination kit. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I think what I'm going to start off first on is going to be my dermaplaning. I feel like that's going to be the easiest thing that I can do since my brows are going to take a little bit longer. So I'm going to go ahead and do my dermaplaning. A little fun fact, I like to use vitamin E oil on my skin. If not, we'll do Dermalogica's pre-cleanse. So I'm just going to put the vitamin E oil all over. Good for the hands too. I actually ran out of my dermaplaning blades. This is what I'm gonna be using until I get new one. This works, but I wouldn't recommend this one just because I prefer the other dermaplaning blade. It's crazy. Look at that. That's really good. That is crazy. And I would never think I had this much hair on my face. So as an esthetician, I always tell my clients, if you are gonna dermaplane at home, please make sure that you're using a blade that you can dispose of. Do not keep the blades, okay? Because that is where bacteria can be harvested and you don't wanna have breakouts on your skin, okay? The scary part is the eyebrows. Oh my gosh. All right, girl, so now that I'm done washing my face, I'm gonna go ahead and put some hyaluronic acid and then I'm gonna use the multi-peptide moisturizer. This serum, you literally don't need that much. You know what's crazy? I actually should have just waxed my eyebrows first before I did my dermaplaning. Well, we can't go back now, can we? So skin is giving. We're gonna go ahead and actually clean up my eyebrows. Hello?
Hey.
Hey baby, what's up?
Yeah.
That's the only thing that sucks about anime is like they take forever. I gotta lock in, girl. Alright, so I ended up finishing my brow lamination. They didn't turn out bad. I was really shaking because I didn't know if I was gonna like it. So I ended up tinting my brows as well, but I feel like this tint is just, I feel like it's I don't really see a difference, I'm not gonna lie to you. I might have to get a different dye later this week, but I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for work, and then I will see you guys tomorrow when I go get my lashes done. What is up, girlies? And it is the next day. So I just made it to my lash appointment. I'm a little early, of course. I like to be early so I can have some time to film content. I spoke to my lash artist and I was telling her about a couple of ideas that I had for my lashes. I had this idea of doing a wispy natural, but then a part of me liked another style in which I'll leave on the screen. And I was like, I don't know. I feel like that's pretty as well. I'm gonna talk to her, kind of see what we can come up with. Of course, you know me, I love my dramatic lashes, but I want to try something new where it's not super dramatic. So I'm gonna go inside, sit down, get comfy, and get pampered. Okay. But yeah, so I'll see you guys whenever I'm inside.
Starfuse.
Girlies, your girl is back from her hair appointment. I'm already excited for the next day. Slow down. I am officially back from my lash appointment and I love them. If y'all can see, like, look at this. She did a really good job. I was a little nervous in the beginning because I haven't gotten lash extensions since 2020. The last time I got my lashes done, they were a little bit too dramatic for me. So I actually ended up talking to my lash tech and just saying, hey, like I want something that complements my face. We got a little wisp. We also got natural, you know what I mean? Like a mixture of both. And she ended up doing what I love. I love these lashes. Now I'm ready for my hair. Cause this, I don't know about this, but I need this done immediately. So tomorrow I'm off, so I don't have to worry about work, waking up early or anything like that. I am gonna get ready for work. I have a meeting to go to in a little bit, so I need to actually get ready now. But I just wanted to come on, let you guys know lashes are done. Now we're just waiting on the hair. Okay. Content is content, okay? Favorite lip combo. Ah! So cute. Okay, let me go. I need to go. Okay, I'm wasting time. So she's gonna trim my ends, and then afterwards we're gonna then figure out what we're doing with our bundles. So these are the bundles that I was talking about. I got these from the beauty supply. This is the bundles I have. We're gonna see if we're gonna mix this and my other bundles.
Far away.
Big up friend Irene.
What is up, ladies? So we finished with our hair appointment and I just want to do a little
update.
So we ended up doing 2 curly bundles that I showed you guys in the last clip towards the front of the sew-in, and then we did more of like the looser wavy type of bundles towards the back of the sew-in. We ended up just doing a blowout. We were gonna do curly, but I noticed that there was just a jump when it comes to curl texture. It didn't really look good, so we just ended up doing a blowout and just keeping it very simple so I can just do the flexi rods and rollers because I didn't want to use too much heat in this sew-in. Okay, this is my hair, girl. Super cute. You can't tell me it is not my hair. Okay, blends in super seamlessly. Of course I need to like blow it out a little bit more to blend a little bit better, but we're not gonna talk about that. Okay, but other than that, I hope you ladies enjoyed this week's vlog. Definitely comment down below your favorite part about maintenance when it comes to your routine. I would love to hear it, girl. But most importantly, stay crusty. Bye.